Welcome back to the channel. This is Jason, and today I have got the Element Ecto out here at Crawler County. I just got done putting some 3D printed foams in it. It's running the J Concept Landmines, which is probably one of our favorite tires here that we use on the channel. But yeah, I just got done printing these, put them in. The old tire or old foams, they were getting pretty soft and worn out. And before I get started here, I'll show you the process of getting this foam installed, what it looked like before and after, and then we'll get started with this run. Before I get started, I wanted to show you the 3D foams that are installed in these wheels and tires, but this is one that still has the stock foam, just like I did with the F-150. I'll show you a little comparison here. You can see how these tires just roll over and really don't provide any lateral support at all. And this one already has a 3D foam in it, so, and then again, tons of lateral support, but still plenty of squish. Should conform to the rocks well, so I'll get this last one put in. But before I do, I'll show you a profile here real quick. Squares it off just a tad, but I'll go ahead and get this last one put in. We'll take it to the course. Back at the course, so this is going to be the first test of these 3D printed foams in this truck. I've already done a set in the F-150 High Trail, the Traxxas, and they were absolutely awesome. So can't wait to see what these do in this truck. If you're not familiar with the Element Ecto, which I'm sure most of you are, this is absolutely one of the best out-of-the-box RTR crawlers you can get for the price. It just blew us away our very first run, and we've been in love with it ever since. And with a few upgrades, you can really take this thing to the next level. But this is our backyard crawler course at the channel, which we call Crawler County. For those of you that may be new or first time visiting, but my wife Liz and my son and my daughter, we have all worked on this course over the last 2 years and have had a lot of fun with it. So if you like this sort of content, especially crawling content, consider subscribing, because we do a lot of cool stuff out here. This Ecto is running a Holmes Hobbies Crawlmaster Sport 8-turn with the Hobby Wing 1080 ESC. I think it's just got a hex fly 25 kg servo in it now, and it's got some Trio brass on it. I think it's got some brass cups on the shocks, and it's running the 11.8% overdrive. And I actually think that I can make this ESC motor perform a little better, because I learned some tricks with this combination, or some programming tricks that made the F-150 really good. Step on a rock here, some loose dirt. Just love the stance of the Ecto. Low center of gravity. It just makes it an awesome truck. Okay, that's just super impressive because you have no idea how much some of our other rigs struggle with that same section. And the Ecto just does it like it's nothing. I'm gonna come test the lateral support of these tires real quick. This was always a hard section with the Ecto. As soon as you would get this tire down there, it would want to roll over and you'd have a hard time steering around this corner. But piece of cake. I wish I had some old video footage to show you. Maybe I'll try to find some, but I'm really in a tough spot here. Hopefully we can work out of it. All right, we did it. Try that again. I know we can make this one pretty easily. There we go. Come back across Goose Hill Bridge. Yeah, it's just getting a ton more steering bite than it had before. See what kind of grip we can get on one of these steep climbs. tires are biting pretty good. There we go. And this here was another tough section with the tire rollover. Get the weight on this tire coming down here, and it wouldn't want to turn, but again, no trouble at all. Took me a long time to believe that foams could make such a difference in the performance of a crawler, but I am now a believer, and since I can make these foams, it makes it even better because I don't have to spend a lot of money on them. Not quite there. Come through Danger Pass. And now one of the toughest transitions on the course right here. We'll see if the Ecto can get this. A lot of you guys have probably seen me fail miserably here several times with several other trucks. Not lined up very well. And there it is, the Ecto showing us how it's done. That is just, and that's what I'm talking about. This thing is just an amazing crawler. It really is. Everybody that enjoys this hobby should have this truck. All right, around here to the newest section that we're working on the course. This is really kind of mostly untested. We really haven't finished it. There's not a lot of tested lines, but we'll see what I can do here with the Ecto. Try not to get a vine wrapped around my axle. wanted to keep my tire on that. There we go. Now where do I go from here? Alright, I'm all wrapped up. I'm going to get off of this section. To hop off of that section before I ended up breaking something. I had a little vine wrapped around the axle there, so all I want to do is get over to here. There we go. Made it. Go to another really tough crawl, tough climb. Let's see if it'll do it. This little section right here. Not exactly how I wanted to get up there. I'm going to try that again. Again, it wants to pull me around to that side. I'm trying to get up that way, but not going to happen today. All right, there we have it. Back to our starting point for Crawler County. But yeah, that was a pretty good test run. Those foams performed absolutely awesome. So I think that's going to be a pretty big upgrade for this truck going into our National Trucks with Cups League. If you like this sort of content, please subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.